2, they are saying that you have to find out the HCF by using the division method. Now it is very clear to all of you that what is division method. You have to find out the prime factors by combining these two in a pair like this, making the columns and rows like this, and then you have to separate these two numbers by putting the comma in between, as I have done it over here. Now you have to select a table by which you can divide both of these numbers. So again, it's an even number, so you have to choose the even prime number, that is 2. 2 6 are 12, comma in the center, and 2 10s are 20. I can use 2 again because both of these numbers can easily divide from 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now I cannot choose again 2 because 3 only divide by its own table and 5 is also divisible by only its own table. I cannot apply separate tables for dividing these two numbers. That means for the HCF I have to stop it over here. Now list down these numbers in the step of common factors of 12 and 20. 2 multiply by 2 and your HCF will be 4. In question number 3, you have to apply both of the method by finding out the HCF. That means first you have to apply the prime factorization method, and then for the same numbers you have to apply the division method as well. So what you will do, on one page you will solve by prime factorization method, and on the next page the same questions will be solved by division method. Make sure, don't forget to put the heading of whatever method you are following. For example, first I am using the prime factorization method, so I am going to put the prime factorization method heading over here, and then I will do my steps. And then in the end you will find out that the answer will be the same for prime factorization method as well and for the division method as well. If your answer is different, that means you have done something wrong. Check your work again. I hope this will be clear to all of you. Make sure only one question will come on one page, and you are allowed to write down the answers of the quiz directly in your copies, but don't forget to put the correct numbers if you are writing the correct answer. Best of luck for your today's assignment, boys.